For managed clients of Fluid Networks, your machines are currently protected using advanced software from Sophos Antivirus, along with Sophos firewalls and other components within our management platform to secure your business machines and your business networks. At this point, many of our customers are currently working from home on other systems, not necessarily company-owned assets. We have negotiated a plan with Sophos to be able to offer the same level of protection within the office on your home computers at no charge for you. The other benefit about this is that not only does this work for whatever computer you're using at home, but you can use the same software on all of your home computers up to 10 personal machines. So your personal computer at home, your spare laptop, maybe your daughter's laptop, maybe your wife's computer, all of those can be protected with Sophos Professional grade antivirus to keep you safe and secure while you're working from home. In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to establish your Sophos at home account and get Sophos installed on your personal machine. So the first thing I'm going to do here, I'm going to bring up the Sophos Home webpage. And one thing to note, Sophos Home is a free product that Sophos does offer, but it doesn't have certain advanced functionality. This particular license that you're going to do, so as long as you're a customer of Fluid Networks, this software is going to give you the same level of protection with proactive scanning, updates, all of the same components that we use on your machines in the office. So this is definitely better than the Sophos Home. If at any point after you've installed it, there will be an annual renewal process that you'll be notified about. If for some reason your company is no longer using managed services from Fluid Networks, your Sophos Home software will just convert to the free version, at which point you can either choose to pay for the upgraded version or choose another solution if needed. So right now I'm going to go ahead and register for an account. So in order to do this, I'm going to have to use my company email address. So this won't be the actual account that I register for my Sophos Home account. This just verifies that I have a valid license. So for me, I'm going to use my email address and submit. And so they've already confirmed that I do have a valid license based off of my email address, and Sophos is going to send me a link so that I can go ahead and set up my personal license. And here I can see that I've received my Sophos Home free license account. So within this email there's going to be a coupon code, and I'm going to want to copy this code right here, and I'm going to create a Sophos account. And for the email address, you're going to use your personal email address. So this will not be your work address. This needs to be your personal account. So Gmail, Hotmail, Outlook, Yahoo, whatever it is that you use. And then you're going to create a password for it. And we got my code's already here. It was passed through. And you can choose whether you want to receive additional promotional information. I don't, so I'm just going to create my account. And then now another email is going to be sent to my personal account, letting me know how I can access my software. So we're going to go to my personal email, my Gmail account here, and look, I've got my Sophos Home confirmation email. I'm going to open this up, and I need to confirm my account. Alright, so my account's been confirmed, and now I need to log in. And again, this will be your personal email account and the password that you just created when you registered for your account. Sign in. Alright, so now that I'm on my Sophos dashboard, you can see it's very easy here. You have the option to email a link to other members of your household, or you can simply just click the download to go ahead and start your installation. The easiest thing would probably just to log into this website from each computer and then download the installer. So we're going to go ahead and click download. And it might take a few seconds to a minute or so to download. And then we'll go ahead and click the Sophos install.exe. You might get a user account control pop-up to authorize the installer to make changes to your computer. You'll say yes. And again, we got more license agreement information. We're going to go ahead and click install. So the full installation can take approximately 10 minutes to complete, as the information on the screen shows. So I'm going to go ahead and pause the video here, and we'll resume as soon as this has finished downloading and gets to the next screen. So our installation has completed, and we're going to click Finish. And the Sophos software will go ahead and complete an initial scan to ensure that your machine is currently protected. And while this scan's in process, I'll go ahead and pause the video, and we'll resume once the scan is completed. Alright, so we can see Sophos Home Premium has completed its scan. It's found some cookies and other junk within my web browser, and it also found one threat that's listed here. So let's go ahead and take a look. And it wasn't sure what it was. Actually, it's one of our non-commonly used applications, so it obviously already deleted it for me, so I don't really have to worry about it at all. Go ahead and close here. So now we can see here on our Sophos Home Premium status page, we can see that we are fully protected. All of the features are enabled. One thing that you will note is that after the installation, you will want to restart your computer to ensure all of the updates are fully deployed. However, the rest of the software you can explore, and you can also check our knowledge base for any information or questions, as well as open a ticket if you have any questions about the installation process. So I'm going to go ahead and restart my software, and we're going to end the video here. I hope this was helpful. Again, if you have any questions or problems, please feel free to reach out to us online or open a support ticket through my portal. Thanks.